Yeah. Ajang ja.
I feel that there's something inside. I feel like heads or legs or like something like that. And I started shouting to my people that the bodies are here.
Muige iku nalage mula motai khurai anibi moi usore
Isupanian o commander hap tam jo uyong kem dang hai la hap tam jo umo permission la la hetan nam ni phal do.
District of Nagaland. This is the place where 14 civilians were killed by the army in an alleged case of mistaken identity. So we have entered, as you can see, we have entered Oting village. So this road leads to Tiru village. This is where the whole incident had happened, where the coal mine workers who were returning from their work from Tiru village back to Oting village, that is when they were killed in the ambush by the army personnel.
And then once I heard firing, I lay down and I was here for almost like 20-30 minutes. That day, after hearing the firing, we came back to the village, and then when the moment I reached village, I came to know that those people who came from this road, they have not reached to the village. By that time, it was already around 8:30, and then we gathered few of our peoples and we came down to this place. I was the first one to reach them, and that time one vehicle the one vehicle that carrying dead body that was trying to flee from this place. So we just threw the bike through with our bike, and then we managed to stop that vehicle. And that moment I started talking with those army personnel which we found here. And then when I asked him about those people who came by that vehicle, they told me they are all injured and they have been taken to the hospital. I touched that vehicle and I feel that there's something inside. I feel like heads or legs or like something like that, and I started shouting to my people that the bodies are here. So we came to know that the bodies are there. Some of my friends, those who came along with me, they started setting fire to 3 vehicles, and after that I went down there and I was sitting there, and then they all started firing, and I lay down and stayed there. And they keep on firing for some time. Initially they killed 6 people, and then after that another 7 more they killed, and then injured also more in the second fire.
someone was shot right here and one was hiding there. This is according to one of the person who saw the dead bodies. 2 people died here, one here and someone at the other end, and here the third person also would have been dead, but according to Kipyang, he was hiding somewhere under that oval arch shape.
Man ổng cái đường gì của đây hay là tan được tao vậy mùng mày ở đây với man sang gì trôi chảy
প্ৰায় 32 years কমপ্লিট হৈছে এইটো ইণ্ডিয়ান আৰ্মিৰ পৰা তাইকে মৰাই দিছে
আপুনি খবৰটো কেতিয়া পালে?
আমি খবৰটো 8:30 AM 8:30 PM দিনৰ খবৰ পাইছে মই মাৰাটো বন্দুক মাৰাটো আৱাজটো খবৰ পাতো মই শুনিছে আজি তক তাইখান লগা ফেস পি দেখিব পাৰা নাই আমি কিন্তু পোস্টমৰ্টম তে মন্ডল লৈ যাছে মন্ডল লৈ যাওঁতে পুৰা বন্ধ কৰি কিনে আহিছে আমি কিন্তু তাইখান লগা ফেস পি দেখা নাই সোলা হিসবাইম ও কমান্ডার হাব তাম जो उयong केम दांग हाइला हाब ताम जो उमो परमिशन लालाय हेतन नामनि हेफाउदो हेया होमं home identity yong po tam jo homa he sabai yam ai em acha bya ni mi awtang ajang la ke ma afo yong bo
army khan bra morai dia phawkam laga maiki koyase muige iku na lage mula motai khurai anibi moi usore man uting busti de aro India army khando na hile phal man khushi bra kam kurigina thagibo kunbi man busti de aha na hibi man ge kunbi disturb nukuribi
like friend to them. We respect them. Whenever we see this army uniform, that is the highest respect uniform in India. And we never think that those people could do this to our people.
Stories like this cost us a lot of resources, time, effort, as well as money. If you believe that the Queen does justice and tells you the stories that matter, do consider subscribing and supporting independent journalism. Do consider subscribing to The Quint.